Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 English Alive workbook chapter number 2 unusual sports. So here comprehension, choose the correct option. The advertisement is for the Great Delhi Half Marathon, the Great Delhi Marathon, My Delhi My Pride Half Marathon. Okay, do you know here the first option, the Great Delhi Half Marathon. Then next, the marathon is being organized to create awareness about the environment, to promote participation in the Olympics, to promote good health and education. So here the third option. Okay, to promote good health and education. Then next, the date and time of the marathon is third option. Okay, 30 September 2018 7 am. Clear? Then next year, what are the different categories in the marathon? So here the answer, the different categories in the marathon are as follows: 1.5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 21.1 kilometer, 5 kilometer, walkathon, fun run, children's marathon, 3 kilometer. Okay. Then next year, what are the ticket prices? The ticket prices are rupees 200 for adults marathon, rupees 80 for fun run and rupees 50 for children's marathon. Then next year, why do people run a marathon? Give at least 2 reasons. Okay, so here people run a marathon for good health and for a good cause. Then next find words in the advertisement that mean the following: the typical quality or mood of something, this is spirit. Okay, so here the answer, spirit. Okay. Then next here, to encourage, encourage means promote. Okay, so here the answer, promote. Then next, tick the pairs of words that are homophones. Okay, so here west, so here this is homophone. Then next, no, now, this is wrong. Okay. Then next, sell, yes, this is homophone. Okay. Then next, flower, this is also homophone. You have to make a tick here. Out, ought, no, this is, you have to make a cross here. Then next, to, yes, this is homophone. Then next, send, no, this is not homophone. seal, this is also not homophone. Then next here, peer, okay, you have to make a cross. Then there, this is homophones. Clear? Then next here, write names that fit both the clues in each pair. You do that when you are tired and sleepy. Lie. Okay, L-I-E. Then next, when you don't tell the truth, you lie. Then next, you dash a film. You watch a film. So you have to write here watch. Okay. You wear it on your wristwatch. You wear on your wrist. This is watch. Okay. This first one is verb, then second one noun. Here first one verb, second one noun. A place where sheep are kept. Pen. Okay, P-E-N. A tool to write with. Pen, P-E-N. Then next, a beautiful flower. Rose. The past tense of rise, rose. Then next, the thick stem of a tree, trunk. Okay, trunk. The long nose of an elephant, this is also trunk. Then next here, the sound made by a dog, bark. The outer covering of a tree, okay, bark. Clear? Then next here the answer, Write two different meanings of each word. Use them in sentence to bring out differences in the two meanings. Okay. So here first you know present noun and present verb. You know first present noun means here the time now. This is you know present time. Then next you know present means to give a gift. This is verb. Then next you know here minute, then minute. Minute you know adjective, minute you know noun. The first noun you know minute means a unit of time. This is noun. Then minute you know adjective. First one you know this is noun. Then second one you know this is adjective. Then next tier you know noun, tier you know verb. Tier you know first noun, okay, used as noun, a drop of the clear salty liquid, okay, secreted from the gland of the eye. Then next tier you know verb, to cause to come apart, okay. Then next here wind noun, wind verb, you know wind, air in natural motion, this is noun, okay. Then to wrap or twist, you know this is verb, wind, okay, clear. So here try to do the sentence on your own. If you can't do, then comment in the comment box. In the next video you will get the answer, okay. Then next your dictionary skills, abbreviations. Write the full forms of the following abbreviations. You know UFO, okay, unidentified flying object, UFO. Okay, UFO. Then next you know cm, centimeter. Then next CBSE, you know Central Board of Secondary Education. Then next you know kg, kilogram. Then next you know GST, goods and service tax. Then next you know CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. Then next IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, okay, IIT. Then you know PM, okay, Prime Minister, clear. Then next write the abbreviations for the following term. You know Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Then next Director General of Police, you know DGP, okay, DGP. Then next etc, you know ETC, okay. Then All India Radio, AR, AIR. Then next Greenwich Mean Time, you know GMT. Then next Central Processing Unit, you know CPU. Compact Disk, you know CD. United Nations, you know UN, clear. So here the answer. Then next here in the picture 5 students are doing different tasks. Give each student a name, describe his or her action. First using the present continuous tense and then using the past continuous, okay. First you have to look at what the children are doing. You have to make sentence first using present continuous and then the same sentence you have to change into past continuous. So here the answer. You know here Sheetal is wiping the blackboard here first, okay. Then you have to change into past continuous. Sheetal was wiping. Then next here Barun is cleaning the floor here, okay. Barun is, so here Barun was cleaning the floor. Present continuous, past continuous. Then next Shreya is keeping books on the shelf, okay, on the shelf. Then Shreya was keeping the books on the shelf, the here, clear. Then next here Rohan is dusting the top of the desk, the here Rohan, Okay, Rohan was dusting. First you know present continuous, then second one past continuous. Then next Anshu is placing the trophy on the shelf. Anshu was placing the trophy on the shelf. So here first present continuous, then past here Anshu. Okay, so this is this is a trophy. Clear? Then next here change the tense as directed in brackets. Make other necessary changes too. One has been done for you. So here we are camping at school today. We are camping. So first you have to follow the instruction. Change to past continuous. So here we are camping at school yesterday. Then next the teacher was telling us about the water cycle. Change into present continuous. The teacher is telling. You have to change was into is. Okay, is telling. Then next the students were having lunch in the classroom. Change into present continuous. The students are having lunch. Okay, are, you have to change were into are. Then next Jonaha is not attending the school because of a toothache. Change into past continuous. Okay, Jonaha was not attending the school. Was not attending. So you have to change is into was. Then next all the children are speaking in English. Change into past continuous. All the children we are speaking. You have to change are into were. Clear? So here the answer. Then next year fill in the blanks with have to, can, can't or may. So here dash I go out to drink water, sir? May. Okay, you have to use your may I go out. Then next dad dash we watch a movie this afternoon. Dad, can you? Okay, can. You have to use your can. Then next I dash play the match as my leg is injured. I cannot. Okay, I cannot. Then next you dash pass the screening test to participate in the competition. You have to. Okay, you have to. Then next we dash practice regularly to do well in the tournament. We have to practice. Okay, we have to. Then next I dash take this medicine for 2 weeks. I have to. Okay, I have to. Then next my mother lived in Japan for 5 years, so she can speak Japanese fluently. Then next according to the rules of the school, the students cannot bring their pets, okay, cannot, to school because they might disturb classes. Clear? Then next here rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. So here the answer. Okay, you cannot participate in the chess tournament. The national athletes have to take a special diet to prepare for the games. May I buy a book on cricket? Arun may leave after the practice. Sanya is only 10 but she can swim very well. Clear? You have to arrange. Okay, I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.